Thank you to our 1K members and our Mileage Plus members for your loyalty. Our entire United team, and our global service members, we appreciate your continued loyalty. Our entire United team is here to make sure you have a great flight. While service is our passion, your safety is our number one priority. So please take a minute to pay attention to the following safety demonstration, even if you are a frequent flyer, as each aircraft type is different. Please review the safety card located at your seat and follow along. Whenever the seatbelt sign is on, please take your seat and fasten your seatbelt low and tight across your lap. To fasten, slide the flat metal end into the buckle. Tighten by pulling the loose end of the strap. Lift the buckle to release. In case of unexpected turbulence, keep your seatbelt fastened even when the seatbelt sign is off. Please take a moment to look around and familiarize yourself with the aircraft. This Airbus A319 is equipped with 4 exit doors, 2 on each side of the aircraft. If the doors are opened in an emergency, slide rafts will automatically inflate. It's unlikely, but in a water landing, slide rafts detach from the aircraft and are used as life rafts. There are also 2 window exits over the wings. When opened, ramp slides will automatically inflate. If needed, lifelines are located in overhead compartments above the window exits. In a water landing, do not use the window exits unless advised by a crew member. All 6 exits are marked with overhead signs. As you locate the 2 exits nearest your seat, remember, they may be behind you. If you must evacuate the aircraft, exit path lights on or near the floor will guide you to an exit, and a change in color or exit sign will help you locate the exit. For everyone's safety, leave all carry-on bags behind. Please refer to the safety card near your seat for the operation of the exit doors on this aircraft. It is also unlikely, but if necessary, oxygen masks will drop from above your seat and from the restroom ceilings. If a strap appears and you cannot reach the mask, pull down on the strap to access your mask. Firmly pull the mask to extend the plastic tube and start the flow of oxygen. Oxygen is flowing even if the bag does not inflate. Put your mask on before helping others. In the unlikely event that oxygen is needed on today's flight, remove any face coverings before putting on your oxygen mask. Should you need it, you'll find a life vest with a water-activated light in a pouch under or between your seats. When directed, pull the tab to retrieve the pouch. If there's a strap, remove it from around the pouch. Tear the pouch open and remove and unfold the vest. Slip it over your head. Wrap the belt around your waist and secure it to the buckle in front. Pull the loose end to tighten. Just before leaving the aircraft, inflate the vest by pulling down sharply on the red tab or by blowing into the tube. This aircraft also has infant life vests, which will be distributed if necessary. Now, smoking, vaping, using smokeless tobacco are not allowed on this aircraft, and FAA regulations prohibit tampering with, disabling, or destroying lavatory smoke detectors. U.S. law also requires passengers to comply with lighted signs and crew member instructions. We will be taking off soon, so please review the safety card located near your seat. Store your tray table, food and beverages, carry-on items, headrest and footrest. Make sure your seat back is upright and your seatbelt is securely fastened. Please place your personal items under the seat in front of you. If you lose your phone or other device under or between the seat, ask a flight attendant to help find it. Please do not move the seat, as this can damage the device and its battery. Food and beverages must be put away for departure. We'll be coming by to pick up any beverages provided to you by the flight attendants. Remember, if you must evacuate the aircraft, leave all carry-on bags behind. Taking bags could block the aisles, slow the evacuation, and prevent others from exiting safely. So please, do not bring bags if we have an evacuation. If you're sitting in an exit row, we encourage you to open up the window shade for taxi and takeoff. We're going to dim the cabin lights so you can rest, so please buckle your seatbelt over your blanket and clothing so we can see it when we come through the cabin. And if you need anything, just press your call button. Thanks again for flying with us today, and I'll be back with more details about today's flight once we are in the air. Flight attendants, Please complete minor safety checks and be seated.
Please be safe for departure.
headphones. On this flight, Wi-Fi is available for purchase, and you can find more information about pricing at unitedwifi.com. You can also watch a wide selection of free movies and TV shows on your personal device through the United app. And again, as a courtesy for those around you, please silence your phone or use headphones for audio. You can also use your favorite messaging app on your phone, like iMessage or WhatsApp, free of charge. And if you are a T-Mobile subscriber, you may be eligible for free Wi-Fi for the entire flight. We will soon be coming through the aisle with a variety of complimentary snacks and beverages. Alcoholic beverages are also available for purchase. A menu item is available in your seat back pocket, where you can find drink and food options and other flight information. If you pre-ordered any items, we will deliver those during the initial service. And again, for your convenience, we offer several payment options for in-flight purchases, including using your stored credit card, Miles Plus Miles,